In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Outlook. Whether you're using the desktop app or the web version, a quick refresh makes sure you're seeing the latest emails, calendar updates, and folder changes. I'll walk you through the most reliable ways to do it and share a few tips along the way so you know exactly what each option does. Let's start in the Microsoft Outlook desktop app. Open Outlook and make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. The fastest way to force a full refresh is with the F9 key. Pressing F9 triggers a complete send and receive across all your mail folders, including your inbox, sent items, and any shared mailboxes you have access to. It's especially handy if you're waiting on an important message or if Outlook has been idle for a while. If the key doesn't respond on your keyboard, try holding the Fn key while pressing F9, since some laptops require that. After you press it, watch the status bar at the bottom of Outlook for progress. It will show you when syncing starts and finishes. If you prefer clicking instead of using the keyboard, there's a manual option built right in. Go to the Send Receive tab on the ribbon, then choose Send Receive All Folders. This does the same comprehensive sync as F9, but gives you more on-screen confirmation. It's a great fallback if keyboard shortcuts are disabled or remapped. Now, let's switch to the web. Open your browser, navigate to Outlook.com, and sign in. If your interface includes a ribbon with a View tab, select View, then choose Sync to refresh the entire interface. This prompts Outlook on the web to pull new mail and update your folders. Depending on your organization's layout, you might see this in slightly different spots, but the sync option performs a full refresh without leaving the page. For the fastest web refresh, press F5 to reload the page. This forces a complete update of your mailbox view, calendar, and sidebar counts. Just be mindful that reloading a page will discard anything unsaved, such as a draft you're typing in the same tab, so save your draft first or open it in a separate window before you refresh. Thanks for watching.